Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday and I just got to the market. It's been a long time I took you guys to the market with me. It has been so long. I know. So today you guys are going into the market with me. I'm not buying a lot, to be honest. I just want to buy a few things for soup. I have proteins at home. I have meat, I have chicken, so I'll just be buying like other condiments for like soup and stew. Anyway, let's get in and get shopping. All right, come on, give me what I leave now. Take Francis. So this is 300.
Yes,
Hey, well, your rice poor. This is 300. Yeah, add half for me. Then Ugu 300 too. How many am I buying? There's only one I'm buying.
God, you touch.
Point, we must touch, oh.
With this fine hand.
We must touch, oh, daddy. He said he wants to leave the country. Oh my God, I bring 2 more. Everybody don't tire. Everything don't cost. All of us don't tire. The 4 of them like this. That's 2,000. Hi, Jesus. Let's call it 2,500 now. That one is 2,500.
I will not call it 2,500 because it's not 2,500.
You don't come up with this package. The message.
Oh yeah, now. So that's how much?
Ginger is 300, but this one's like 400.
Ah, wow, what's the difference? It's not the same thing. Guys, look at my subscriber. Hi, this is like my second time seeing you in the market. So now 200.
200, that's $100.
Tomato, how much? How much basket? Give me half basket. Which one be big one? Which one be small one? All of them are the same size. Abi? Okay, now the big one be this. So now how much? What? 300. Wow. Come and put this one for me. Put this one. You want to be like me?
Yes.
That's like the cutest thing ever. You know that, right? I don't know where this thing came from. Like, guys.
Today,
I don't know where that came from, and it's so annoying.
see my new house.
What? What? You guys, she's showing you her toys. She's showing you her toys. And I like the fact that whenever she wants to bring her toys to the parlor, to the living room, because she knows I hate clutter. Like Mia knows I cannot stand clutter, so she would always ask, "Mommy, I want to play. Can I please bring my toys?" I'm like, "Yes, you can." When you finish scattering it, you will do what? You will arrange it. Abby?
No.
What do you mean by no? When you finish scattering, you will what? You will what?
Scatter.
You will scatter.
Yes.
When you finish,
I was scattered.
you will scatter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I will watch TV.
You watch TV and what?
Play.
And play. Yeah, you can do that. I don't have a problem with you watching TV and playing. But when you finish playing, what do? You arrange it.
Wait.
You arrange it.
Wait.
You better do. I want to finish the stew I was making yesterday. I just boiled down the tomatoes. I just want to move it to another pot because of all this burnt parts. Jessie wants to eat the vegetable soup I made yesterday. Me, I don't know why I can't eat swallow on Sunday. Babe, do you know that maybe because I grew up eating rice every Sunday, like I can't eat swallow on Sunday. I don't know why. I just can't. You don't care, right? You don't mind? Very pretty, right? Oh my god, guys, do you know that I'm just realizing that this plant came with a card? I didn't see it all this while. Like I didn't move it, so very nice card. Thank you so much to Green Thumb. I want to put this plant in my kitchen. I'm going to move an old plant and then figure out where in my kitchen that I can place this. Who do you want to kill with this outfit today, sir?
Nobody.
You should help me see outfit too. Help me see outfit. Who? Hey, again. Who do you want to kill today, sir?
Nobody.
Is that nobody? Ooh, I think you can combine cloth too. See the shirt, see the trousers, see the shoe. Then see the cap.
Thank you.
Yeah, now what? I'm very sorry, sir. We are sorry, sir. Roast us, please. We are your fish. Fry us, we are your plantain. Roast us very well. Oh, again.
I'm ready for my shoots.
And now shoot, they go shoot. Don't be saying the office they go. You are going for a photo shoot and you are looking so peng like this. Here. Please let's not get toasty outside, though. Nobody should toast you outside for me, dear. You're late, baby. What time is your shoot? It's not 10. It's just past 9. But where is the shoot holding? Oh, okay. At least just go there and start setting up now so that once they come, you start shooting. But you help me and see my husband, a very fine man. A very complete fine Benue man. Look at him. Try! These people have swapped houses. See level 1 people in Trench's house. See level 1 people in Trench's house. So level 2 people are in the island.
Kiss.
Alrighty. Happy shooting.
Thank you.
Bye. See me and Rose's toys on the floor. Bye, babes. I'm home alone now. Mia has gone to summer school. Jessie just stepped out. But I wish I could say I'm going to just literally lounge, but I'm not lounging because I have work to do. I have content to create. I want to film 2 YouTube videos and 1 or 2 reels. Not like ad reels, like funny reels. So I'm thinking 2 reels, 2 YouTube videos, and I'm good for the day. yeah, anyway, let me go and have my bath and get on with it. Ooh, I'm loving today's makeup. Okay, so makeup all done. I'm just about to start filming the first video, and then the second one will follow right after. This makeup today is so beautiful.
Spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know.
Okay, first video done. Second video about to begin. I'm going to change my lip color to something dark, maybe this. Ooh, that's really dark. Oh, hey. Okay, not bad. Okay. Not bad, guys. I think it's cute.
I guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now. Not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more.
American woman. You people, she told people where she's going to. She has been asking of you. She has been asking of you non-stop. So guys, my mom is leaving town tomorrow. She's leaving the country tomorrow. She's going to the US of A for OMUGWO because of course you guys know she has to go. I mean, her first grandson. She has to go and represent too. She has to go and do OMUGWO for her grandson. So she is just putting her things together. She's leaving with early morning flight tomorrow, and she has already complained that one of her suitcases is already overweight. And I'm like, mommy, you know what, just pay the damn excess and keep it moving, because the last time she was going in November, I went with her to the airport. One of her suitcases was overweight. We had to keep moving things up and down, and at the end of everything it was still overweight, and guess what, we still paid for the excess. I just was like, you know what, the excess luggage fee is a flat rate. Just pay for it and keep it moving. Like, let's not even bother trying to remove, because I know that everything inside these suitcases must go with you. I know that's for sure. So yeah, she's leaving tomorrow. I don't think I'll be able to go with her to the airport in the morning, because I'm going to have to get Mia ready for summer school and all of that. So I will not be able to go with her to the airport, but my dad will be with her, so she'll be good. I wish I could make it to the US. Like, I really wish I could make it to the US to go see my little nephew, those little cheeks. But Sunday America said that I'm not going anywhere. You guys, I applied for an American visa like ever since April of this year, and they gave me September next year for my interview dates. Can you guys beat that? September next year. I applied in April. They gave me September next year. Why is my forehead shining like this? The makeup, I've had this makeup on since morning, so it's oxidizing and getting oily and all of that. But yeah, guys, September next year is my visa interview date. So what's even funny, I even got an email recently from them, I think it was about 2 weeks ago, that my scheduled interview date has been moved to a future date. You know what, I didn't even bother opening the email to even see the future date. I didn't even bother. I'm like, in America, since people don't want me to come and see my family, no wahala. Because my mom travels regularly, she doesn't have to go through the whole interview thing. She just does her Dropbox. Same thing with my dad, you know, and all of that. And because I haven't been to America in a very long time. Heck, I haven't been to America since I was a kid. Like, I was 8 years old the last time I was in America. So I definitely have to have an interview, that's for sure. And I'm just like, oh, most people are stressing my life. They are stressing my life. They are stressing the heck out of me.
Mommy saw your son too.
Oh, again. Let show you. The thing you're showing me, is it downstairs? Ah, Mama, I don't have strength though. I don't have strength to go down and come back up, Mama.
Yeah?
Yeah? What is the thing you want to show me? Mama, I don't have energy now.
Mommy, it's okay. Just come.
Okay. Mommy, it's okay. Just come. Surprise? Like, seriously?
What is it? A train?
Oh, you built a train?
Yes.
With nail polish?
Yes.
That's what you wanted to show me. So, like, I'm really hoping that I can do something about these dates. Guys, if you guys know anybody that can fast track my dates, please let me know in the comments or send me a DM or something, because I'm more it choke. You don't have to go through that. Now you are Dropbox queen.
Even now, no date for Dropbox.
Right now.
Have you forgotten?
Yeah.
In the last 2 months, now your dad has been looking for date for Dropbox.
It choke.
So we don't know what is happening.
It choke. America.
Whether they are doing it on purpose.
Like we don't know at this point, because it's crazy.
Your dad couldn't get for the past 2 months. Your dad is not the only person I know.
Guys, I see Momsy's hair. You guys know that when she's going to America, she must braid. Like for the longest time since I've known this woman. Each time she's going to America, over the years, she must braid. And I picked out these colors for her, guys. You guys know now. Let me see you. Let me see you. But God, this one is so happy. She's going to go and see her grandson. Hey, happiness won't choke you. So guys, look at this lovely color. I picked it out. It's a mixture of gray and color 27, and it came out so well. Like, look at that. So nice. See, I'm the queen of mixing attachment colors, so you can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Momsy, another 1 month away from us. What's away from us?
With your brother, 1 year with 2 people.
Wow.
1 month with your brother, one full year.
With us here.
With you and Chukwazame.
So you're going to go and see Oluoma Chukwu. My little Oluoma Chukwu. Let me show you something. Next time you are away, that 1 month always looks like 1 year.
1 year, really?
Yeah, it feels like one whole year. Anytime you are away in America. Come and tell them. Come and tell them what you want to show them. Yes, what do you want to show us?
I built a castle for you.
You built a castle for me?
Yes.
My baby. My sweet sugar.
Attempt this one. Just attempt.
Mommy.
I just said attempt.
Attempt, mommy. Mommy.
I have to paint my nose, baby.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, have you?
This one is not real.
Let daddy bring the scale so that we can.
This one is not real.
No, this one is less. This is less. This is definitely heavier. One more. Mom, see her heavy luggage.
28.
28. Father. This one is 5 kg. Mom, see every goddamn time you are traveling. Why?
In fact, 28.9. So it's more like
I thought that was heavy.
That's heavier.
Oh yeah, let's check it.
Heavier.
28. Damn.
this is starting.
Mommy. Blood of Jesus. 30 kg. 28. And you're meant to be doing 23, 23. I train.
The only thing is that in the night like this, let it not be too much because of our level.
Not be small work today. You guys know what we've been doing with these suitcases since for the past 1 hour. Moving things up and down.
How can I buy foodstuffs and foodstuff to travel with? Then without telling me remove this one, I will pay. Pay the damn excess and get going.
That's it, sir.
On your way, get to the airport, pay the damn excess and get going. On your way.
On your way, last. Wahala be like bicycle, you guys.
I go to summer school.
She said she wants to talk to you guys.
Where are we by nothing?
Okay.
The other side has
My book. I see my everything.
You guys, see your little YouTuber. She said I want to talk to them. Thank God for this skill, because if not, this man would have gone to the airport tomorrow and start moving things around, like we were doing in November when you traveled. Only America.
It's so much stress traveling.
That's insane.
Coming back again, stress.
Stress, everything's stress. They don't even require you to do COVID test again.
Yeah, exactly.
Thank God.
But you must hold your fully vaccinated.
Yeah, you must.
You must hold it. I have
must.
my own.
Now what?
It's so much stress.
Sorry, ma. You know, I never did that test for 1 day. That COVID test. I don't know. When I hear people say no, it's like I never experienced it. I didn't bother.
Are you fully vaccinated?
I'm fully vaccinated. I didn't bother.
They put it to your nose.
Yeah.
You start sneezing.
I hate that thing.
But you know, those of us who suffer allergy.
Allergy, like
Once
like me now.
Yes. Once
You
you
don't
put
have
that,
allergies.
you just start sneezing.
No, I beg. Thank God I never did that test for one day, guys. Like for one day, I never took a COVID test.
Oh, happy girl. Your
Grandma is going to miss you. Have you hugged grandma? Have you told grandma I'm gonna miss you? Aww. 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 Love you, mommy.
Love you, Mom.
Bye. I'll miss you, but you're so happy. Love you. Mwah. Kiss my nephew for me. Oh. Tell my nephew I love him. What did I?
They said you should come next. You should come for interview next year.
What have I done? But then there has to be a way, I beg, for me to get the closer dates.
Go, no.
This Buga, I carry Buga to America.
Buga is all over. It's everywhere.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere. It's everywhere.